welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look that you see right here, and oh my god, yes, I know it's colorful. We had a little mishap with some mascara. It wasn't fun, but we made it through. So if you want to get this look that you see right here, please continue watching my video. But hold up, honey, before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what else you would like to see. Okay then, see ya. Bye.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Cause the both of us, we risked it all. We gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, tonight to stay, too sad to leave. Sometimes I laugh, the ways you make me lose my mind. You're all I have, but still it's like I'm wasting time. I need some space, I need a little time to run.
Hey guys, so this is the final look that we created today, and yes, I did it differently, editing differently, just because I do not have time to do like the full explanation, which I hope you understand the way that I explained it during the video and everything. So if you liked this look right here, please like it down there, comment and subscribe what else you would like to see, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.